Hi there, welcome back to Fred Shaves. It's Wednesday and it's time for another shave. I'm really excited to try or do this video because I'm gonna do an awesome soap which I've been waiting for. It's been on the shelf a little while. It came in here maybe 1 week ago, and it is the collaboration soap between the Lathered Yeti and the Cajun Blade. Cajun Blade has an Etsy store, and he has made a soap in collaboration with the Lathered Yeti. Check out their YouTube channels. Awesome stuff. This is Voodoo Yeti, the legend of the blood moon. Look at that cool label. We got the matching splash, which unfortunately leaked a little bit in fright, but you can see it's still pretty much full. So we're gonna use that. I really like the shape of that bottle, really cool. And look at that soap, how awesome is that color? It's pure orange or red. It's quite firm. And the scent, I struggle to describe it. I have never ever smelled anything like this. I mean, it's sweet, but it's no sweet. And it's dark and not dark. You just have to smell it. I'm gonna read the scent notes in a while. It's a tallow-based soap, and it also has a lot of other goodies. Aloe extract is one of them. Let's go through the hardware. This is the Yaqi 2027 Slant. It's a stainless steel razor. You can outchange these bottom knobs if you like. I go with the green one tonight. Inside we got a fresh Perma sharp blade. You can see the slant head there. Brush is my TurnNShave synthetic quartermoon. It's a 26mm. So we're gonna wet that brush. I have not pre-soaked this soap. I like when I first try out a new soap for the first time to see how it loads without soaking it. It's a good size soap. This it's 5 ounces. So let's go into loading, and not much is happening here. Wow, look, red tips, awesome. Just dip the brush there ever so slightly. There we go. Wow, the proto lather is kind of pink color. I have never seen that before. This is really awesome. I'm really looking forward to this. It's a quite strong scent. It's a 5 or 6 from the tub. Once I just load here, I will read the scent notes to you. In the top we got ozone, muscadine grape, blood orange zest. Just timing the load here. I think that is enough. Look at that awesome color. This is super cool. Look, pink lather. Yeah. I think this is down to the mica powder. Yes, there is mica powder in the soap. I think that is what makes it that reddish color. First time with this base as well, from the Cajun Blade. This is my only soap from him. So I'm really excited to see how it reacts with water. I have seen the soap in use on YouTube, the base I mean, and it seems to be super thirsty. We're gonna soon find out. Yeah, so the top notes were ozone, masculine grape, blood orange zest. In the heart or mid notes we got smoldering woods, dark resin, Palo Santo, which I actually don't know what is, and spiced shadows. And in the very base we got patchouli, just to probably get those earthier notes to it. Musk, amber and ambergris. That's so awesome. It's a really well blended scent, I can tell you already now, and it's hard to pick out the individual scent notes. But I can easily smell the top notes straight away, especially the blood orange and ozone. It's a really good scent, and as I've said, I have never ever smelled anything like it. Look, nice and pasty. We're gonna take it to its test. It's a really cool Halloween release. Wow, it doesn't seem like I'm adding water at all. That was a fair drink. Okay, let's play a bit. It's just thickening up again. That means it's more thirsty. Yeah, look, it's really matte. A little peaking. Look at that color. I'm really stoked. I'm really trying to push it now. I gave it a lot of water there again. Super soft brush. It's a super dense lather, I can already tell. I already added quite a fair bit of water, and it doesn't blow up at all. It just stays really dense and low structure. Man, look at this. This is quite spectacular. Wow, look. Stiff peaks. We gonna get him to fall. Yeah. We are not even there yet. Ooh, look. Wow. That was a super dangler. That's crazy. We're gonna push it. See what we can do. It's starting to feel a little bit loose now. Kind of painting itself with itself. Painting really carefully not to throw lather everywhere because it's starting to fall off. Look. Wow. First impression of this base is that it's really good. I'm drowning it and it just takes it. This is crazy, look. Okay, we're gonna stop right there. This is just awesome. Look. We got lather for days. And I can really feel this is a towel base. It's so dense. It's so super slick on the fingers. Look, it's super shiny. Once added in that amount of water, it lost a little bit of that pink color. So no, it's not pure white, but it's more white than it was. Oh, you can feel it's a lot of goodies in there. It's still super slick on the hands. Let's see how it shaves. It's 1 day of growth. And this is a super smooth shaver. Look. It just drips off. Did I tell you I love the scent? It's super cool. I'm really stoked. I'm really happy I got my hands on this set. Wow. This razor is inspired by the 37C Slant razor, I think, from Mercure. I don't remember exactly how that shaves. But this one is super smooth and really efficient. Not a whole heap of blade fill at all, and there is no overhang. The blade is locked inside the end cap tabs by the base plate, and it's super grippy and nice to hold. The handle just falls off the razor. I think it's been done 2 rounds with that soap and splash from the Cajun Blade. First round sold out really fast, and now the second round also is done. I don't remember the numbers, but it's been sold quite a few sets, and this collaboration has gone warm in social media. I've seen it on Instagram posts, shave of the day post, at the forums on Facebook and so on for a couple of weeks. I have with Will not seen the soap itself in use yet, because I wanted to experience the scent for myself without being kind of, call it, affected or colored by what anyone else may mean. But I have talked a lot to Chris, Lathered Yeti, and he has praised this scent and told me it's very unique and very special, and he's 100% right. As I've said, I have not smelled anything like it before. I have used a fair bits of soap during my Wetshaving years. Nothing like this. No scents like this. I will say it's kind of probably more sweet than dark, the soap. We'll see how the splash is, but it's wrong to call it. It's not a sweet scent. It's really hard to describe. By the way, the lather feels really cushiony, feels really nice on the skin. No sense of irritation or burning or anything like that. Just a little burning around my lip, but that's not due to the soap. That's my skin being very dry these days, especially the lip. It's cold here now, or really chilly. Fall is here for sure. It's soon Halloween, and this soap really suits this season. Superb. I mean, look at that third lather, and I have not re-wetted it, I have not reworked it. This is just painted on from what's left in the actual brush. A little weeper. I'm really enjoying this. It's super slick. Let's just see what the residual is like. Yeah, look. It comes that film of residual slickness. That's awesome. I think it's the first time I've used Perma Sharp in this particular razor. I really love Perma Sharp, but I have to say it doesn't feel like the best combo for this razor. I'm usually pairing up this with the Astra Green or Gillette Nasset. That's so individual which blade goes with which razor, and also how it feels for the individual who is shaving. Skin type, beard type, the actual amount of growth you're shaving off. It's so many variables that has to do with how a blade feels. Wow, close shave, and the residual slickness feels just insane. We're going down for some cold water rinsing. Skin feels really fresh. Oh. Oh yes. It almost feels like I've just hit up my face with a balm. We're gonna heat it up with the matching goodies. Look at that aftershave sauce, it's what it's called. It's alcohol, witch hazel, aloe vera, glycerin, vitamin E, fragrance, and essential oil, and it also, oh, menthol. I didn't see that before now. It has separated. We're gonna shake it up really, really well. And it's a big opening here, no restrictor at all. I wanna show you a little bit, and just pour it out. Ooh. Gonna do like that, really, really carefully. Oh, good sting from the alcohol. And that scent, that's super strong. That's easily a 7. And here comes the menthol. Woo! It's a little different than the soap. The same scent notes, although this feels darker and more smokier in some kind of way. But it really kind of it accomplishes the soap in a really good way. Feels beautiful on the skin. Lovely stuff. I managed to not soak my hands in splash. That's a good thing. Ooh, quite a good hit of menthol as well. I can enjoy that. Even now when we're going into the chillier, more colder days, it's nice with some menthol. That's me done and dusted, guys. I really, really enjoy that and love that scent. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, goodbye.